What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QDS Dan and you guys are watching my channel Crywood. In this video I'm going to show you guys keyword arguments. What is keyword arguments? And before showing you guys star args and double star keyword KWARGS, this is very scary. Look here, it's very intimidating and scary. I'm gonna show you guys that keyword is equal to value provided. What is keyword? Keyword stands for keyword arguments. Our S, our plural or not plural. Please subscribe Crywood. As always, our programming videos will continue. At Crywood, we are committed to bring you the best programming videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. So I'm going to remove this intimidating and scary thing. So I'm going to show you guys that keyword argument and whatever the value we can put it here. What is this supposed to mean? This is supposed to mean this one. As you guys observe in the previous video, that whenever we change any of this, and if this one is not matching this ones, you guys gonna get error. And the only time you guys don't want this one has to match this one. You guys can have like 10 of this, but you guys needs to have exactly same amount as that ones here. Say for example, you guys here have one more, and you guys gonna come in have a two more, and say for example 3 more. So now we have one more, which we put it here. We have 2 more, and we have 3 more. And looking here now, this guy is here, this guy is here, and this guy is not matching. What do you guys think might happen? Because now we have something that Python's gonna be very confused. I think we're gonna get confused too. So we run, and that's what we're gonna get. Big giant error. It says my channel missing one required positional argument age, because now Python is gonna come here and look and says one more. All right, so one more. This one is, what is this 2 here, and what is this? We have a argument here which specifies is 100, which belongs to the here this one. Now what about this one, and then what about this one, what about this one? So Python is confused. For Python it doesn't make sense, because this is called keyword arguments. Whatever you guys need to put here, if you guys put a 3, make sure you guys gonna put 3 here, 3 as an argument. So if you put a one more, and you put a age, and you put a Yazdani, that's what you guys gonna get. So for example here is perfectly fine, it makes sense. Even if you guys can change this print, say for example you guys can put a one more, and now you guys gonna put a one more, say for example first, for example, and now I'm gonna show you guys one. We're gonna change this one, we're gonna put a first, and now we're gonna change this one, and we put a second. Now we're gonna come here and we'll put this one as a third. We put a 3, and we're gonna put a third. Okay, so here you guys can do it separately, or you guys can do it one, up to you. Even if you guys remove these ones here, and we put a, this is 1, you can just put a 1 here, 1, and now we're gonna print again. We put a print. We're gonna put a F here, we put a second, and we're gonna put a, this is second, this is, and we put a 2, and now we're gonna put a print. So we put a print, and we put a F here, and here we're gonna put it, this is, and we put a first, and this is, then we put a second, and we put a this is, then we put a third 3. So we put a first is 1, and we put a 2, and the last one, which is 3. Okay, so the first one, all taking default values, and we're gonna remove everything here, because if you have a default, then you guys can leave this one empty. So we're gonna run, and we're gonna say that the first, second, and second and third perfectly fine. Okay, so now you guys kind of come here as an argument. You guys, if you want, you can change this one, but this one has to match this one. So instead of 1, you guys need to come here, and you put a high, for example, high, and then you guys can put a second. You guys can put it even higher, for example. And on the last one, you guys kind of put a third. You're going to put a very high, for example, very high. So now we have changed all the default parameters here with our arguments. So we're going to run our program to see what happens. You're going to see high, even higher, high, even higher, and this is very high. So as we said, as we learned in the previous video, that you guys can default ones, we're going to override this one. If you guys try to be smart and change one more, say for example, if you guys gonna put a say Yazdani, for example, then by now you guys should have an idea what's gonna happen. You guys gonna get an error. Takes 3 positional arguments. So it's parameters. I'm gonna show you guys parameter is because 1, 2, and 3, and if you guys look in here, so 1, 2, and 3, this one takes 3 positional arguments, but 4 were given. So this one only allowed to have 3 positional arguments. So it's 1, 2, and 3. What is this one? 4 given. So Python says, look, I'm expecting 3, I'm not expecting 4. Why you give me 4? That's what the Python confused. So this one, as I said to you guys, has to match this one on top, and this is called keyword argument. So keyword, our keyword argument is referring to this one. So this is the keyword arguments. So when you guys gonna put 3 here, Python expect you guys to put 3 here. So if you guys put 1 extra or 2, try to be smart, Python is gonna outsmart you, because Python knows what is this. Python knows this channel have a 3 parameter, and this my channel, you guys need to put a 3 arguments. It's called positional arguments. You guys can't provide 5 or 6 or 7. So if you guys increase this one, you guys increase this one accordingly, but you guys can't do the other way around. You guys can't just provide something here extra while you guys didn't provide the one. This is a very innocent mistake that every programmer makes, and luckily Python or any other programming language, if you try to run, it won't run. So now we're gonna run. It's perfectly fine. Why is perfectly fine? Because this is argument, our positional arguments here is matching the positions here. Why is called positional arguments? Because this arguments here and the parameter here, now this goes on position 1, 2, and 3. But if you guys try to make it higgly-piggly, you guys can do that, but still it goes with say for example with exactly same position. So whatever the position you guys gonna put it, the Python is gonna come in and says, I don't care what is there. This is a position 1, this is a position 2, and this is a position 3. So all I want, position 1, position 2, position 3. Anything you guys want to put it, I don't care. But as soon as you guys gonna put it, say for example on the third one we're gonna put a 20, for example, we're gonna see what's gonna happen, because on top, and usually guys look at here higher, and now is 20 is displayed. Even though you guys put on 3 ones, it's a literal value, it's a string, but here you guys gotta put integer. If you guys want to put a 60, for example, it's a float, Python is still going to accept. Why is going to accept? Why you guys didn't think that? Why I have provided here the string and Python is accepting the float? Why? Because it's a positional. It's a Python goes with the position. Python don't care what you guys going to put it here. As long as you guys going to put your parameter, and as long as your this one's matching, Python don't care. So Python is going to execute this one. As long as this one and this one's matching, then Python's going to execute that one. Python don't care what sort of data you guys going to put it. It's going to figure it out, and it goes with the position 1, position 2, position 3. And this is called keyword argument. So if you guys don't know about this one, now you know. And whenever you guys going to put a keyword is equal to value, because you guys needs to put some sort of value, and we are providing some sort of value to the keyword here. So that's keyword 1, 2, 3, and it's a positional argument here 1, 2, 3, and we are providing some sort of value. So that's what you guys needs to provide value. And this is called keyword, our keywords. If you guys gonna put a k words in Python. So the next video we're gonna go and say how we're gonna put a keywords and keyword arguments, and how we're gonna put args. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.